Terra Universal's CleanMount family of pass-throughs are manufactured from 316L stainless steel. The obstruction-free interior, lipless edges, and radius corners make these ISO-rated pass-throughs an ideal solution for a variety of applications. Lift-off hinges allow the doors to be removed for maintenance or sterilization. The hidden automatic mechanical or electronic interlock prevents both doors from opening at the same time. This design is possible due to the unit's double-wall construction, which triples lifespan and eliminates the cleaning of value-add pass-through accessories. The CleanMount design allows the pass-through to be flush-mounted in a clean environment. The simple installation process takes less than 5 minutes and requires no drilling or hardware, allowing for easy servicing or replacement of the pass-through without cleanroom shutdown. The magnetic slope top, which prevents dust accumulation, can be installed without puncturing the wall at the owner's discretion. CleanMount pass-throughs can be ordered with or without stainless steel racks and shelves. Racks can easily be installed onto existing operational pass-through chambers.